What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Monday. So this Unbox Monday is based on the Revell Journey Mercedes AMG GT. So let's go on the box, see what's on the box, open it up, see what comes inside, and take more detail later on. Alright, so first up we're at the decals, and these are some nice, really nice high quality decals. Got Yates decals, bunch of engine warning stickers and stuff, multiple license plates, and you do get a carbon fiber decal for your roof, which is always nice. Very nice decal sheet. Alright, next up, clear parts. Keep these in the bag, but you do get your side glass right here, normal headlights and tail lights, and your front and your windshield wipers, or windshield and your back glass, I should say. And you do have a nice surround where you have to paint your black wall, but that's pretty cool. Very well pronounced. Alright, next up, chrome. So this is some very nice chrome. The wheels are modern chrome, but I'm pretty sure on the real cars they're dulled or painted black. So you can either ship those easily and paint those however you wish. And you know, multiple, you get your mirrors right there, your exhaust, and your tiny Mercedes logo right there. That's pretty cool. And you do get your main front grille, all in one chrome, and your back tail lights. Very nice. Alright, first bag in the kit is, this one has most of your chassis parts, your exhaust, and that kind of good stuff. Racing, steering, I think, your bracket, your license plate brackets, and you do get a different style of brakes. And I'm pretty sure, I think that's a new style of what I was doing, but I'm pretty curious how that works. That's pretty cool. And this one has your main chassis, so your skid plates for your bottom, as always, and your radiator wipers, and your nice, beautiful brakes. No detail on the back, but that's fine. And here we get your main chassis. You do get your transmission and exhaust molded in, but that's not too bad, but I wish they molded that separately, but that's easy to pick out. Alright, last bag in the kit. This one has your interior. So this is your main bucket. That's pretty nice. Very nice molded seats. Very nice. Your center console. And door panels. I like how these are separate. We hold on for your arm and stuff to close the doors. Seat backs. And I'm not exactly sure what these are, but they're there. So, and the last sprue in that bag is this one has your engine. And crazy enough, they detailed the living heck out of this thing. even though you're not going to see it because you have this huge plastic thing going to cover it. But that is incredible how they managed to do all that detail, and you're not going to see. Like, mostly 98% of this is going to be hidden then, you know, behind that. But that's pretty cool. And you do get left and right hand drive dashboards, which is also a big plus. So you European guys can enjoy, and the US guys can enjoy both ways. Very nice. Alright, this bag has your body, and it is molded in this very well pronounced yellow, which is okay, but most cases it's kind of bad if you want to go like a lighter color such as white, because they always, you have a big risk of the yellow bleeding through the paint, the primer and paint, and that's not gonna look good. Overall, the parts do look nice, so give it that, but kind of sucks they did more in yellow, because, you know. But overall that can be fixed. But the engine bay is very detailed, a bunch of wires and stuff, so that's pretty neat. And the body is very well molded. Now the panel lines, they're there. They could use more deepening, but they're there. But overall, this body is pretty neat. I just wish they didn't mold it in this bright yellow. That kind of sucks, but what are you gonna do? Very cool. Now, like, last up in the kit is 4 tires, obviously. These tires are very nice. Nice, decent tread pattern on there. Those are actually pretty nice. They are, of course, no name, but that's quite alright. Aftermarket can help you if you want to do a nice name brand tire or a different style tire overall. And you do get front skinnies and front and rear backs, fats. You can't really tell, but there's a tiny difference. Not a huge difference, but there is a difference. So, front skinny, rear fat. Very nice molded tires. So after taking a really good look at this kit, I really do recommend it. It is, again, Revell Journey, so it is a really well molded kit. If you're just looking for a nice vehicle and, you know, do a very nice paint job, this is a kit to do so. Nice detail in the engine, which is pretty cool, but you're never gonna see hardly any of it. But it is pretty cool how they did that. But once again, I do recommend this kit. I'll put a link down below where you can get one for yourself. But other than that, until next time, hope to catch you guys next Unbox Monday. Bye for now.